Here's how to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram, iPhone, and Android. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can delete a photo from your multiple photos on Instagram. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just open up Instagram. And before that, just make sure that you update your Instagram to the latest version. So just go to the app store real quick and type in Instagram right over here, and just basically update it to the latest version that you can find. So I do have an update, but I'm on pretty much the latest update. I don't know when this update came out, but yeah, here as you can see, I do have some posts over here, and I do have a pic over here, but these pics are not what I want. So I'm just going to delete these both pics and let these two. So in order to do that, just basically press on these three dots on the top corner of the video and just basically press on edit. And then just choose the picture that you want to delete. I'm going to delete this one, delete, and then delete. So you basically need to press on this option of trash icon. So here, as you saw, I basically deleted two pictures. Once I press done, here we simply go. We have basically deleted these photos from here as well. So yeah, this is actually it on how you can delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. So I hope this video actually helped you all. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.